Good morning, good morning, good morning, my good people. Well, this afternoon. Yeah, it's the afternoon, not morning. We are gonna make some of my body butter today. And the one that we'll be making will be cotton candy and Fruit Loop. So I'll be back with you guys. Right here, I'm just stirring the beeswax into the oils. Now I'm pouring the oils into the bowl so I can get ready to mix it up. So now that has to sit in the freezer for probably about an hour or 30 minutes. And I will check it in 30 minutes to see what the consistency is. Now I can show y'all what it looked like. I'm gonna take it out the freezer and it's all solidified. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna put on my gloves and then we are going to mix this up And then I'm going to add my Fruit Loop into one batch and cotton candy in the other batch. So once I get that mixed up, I'm going to add my preservative in it. So that means if you get any water in it, you won't get mildew. And I'm also going to add in some arrowroot. And the arrowroot would take away some of the greasy feeling that comes with this. So yeah, we're going to do that. And I'll be right back once I get this mixer hooked up. Loops. And this is how it turned out. This is how it turned out. This is the cotton candy. This is the Fruit Loop. And it smells so good. It has my whole house smelling so good. And I ordered the wrong color bottle, so don't pay me no mind. Okay, we're finna test this out and let you guys see how it looks on my arm. This is the thickness of it. And see, it just melts right into your skin. Melts into your skin. Now that you see that the whipped body butter is very good, thickness to it, and it smells very good. So like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and have a wonderful, wonderful, blessed day.